Hello and welcome. I hope you have lots of fun creating your own custom planter. First, choose the desired height for your planter. In this example, I'll choose number 5. Duplicate the parts for size number 5 by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate, or simply press Ctrl+D. Here you can choose between stars, hearts, or neither. Simply enable or disable the output of the corresponding layer. In this example, we'll use the stars. We'll disable the hearts and hide that layer. Now let's start with the rings. First, duplicate the individual ring parts. Leave a little space between the corner pieces. Now add the desired connector modules for the slats. In this example, we'll add 5 extra slats. You can also create a rectangular planter using the same method. In this example, however, we'll create a square planter by adding 5 extra slats to each side. Select everything and ungroup it. Then hide the red layer and delete the green construction guides. Enable the red layer again, select everything, and use the Auto Join function by pressing Ctrl+J to connect all the lines. Now that all the individual parts are connected, group them by pressing Ctrl+G. Duplicate the group twice. For the bottom ring, ungroup it again with Ctrl+U and delete the inner ring. We designed this ring for 5 additional slats. Now duplicate the slat 5 times using a spacing of 0.5 millimeters. Group the slats, then drag them next to the corner piece using click and snap. Finally, enter -0.5 millimeters in the x-coordinate to restore the correct spacing. Then align it to the same height as the bottom edge. Now use the linear array function to create 4 additional copies. If you'd like to add an engraving, import one from the included SVG file. Ungroup everything, then group only the selected design. Delete the remaining designs to keep LightBurn running smoothly. Scale and position the selected design as desired. You can use the grouped slat module as the center reference for alignment. Duplicate the design on the left and use the center alignment function to position it on the third slat module. If you want the engraving to extend across the corner pieces, you'll need to split the design using the Boolean tool. To do this, create rectangles on the green layer over the areas where you want to split the design. Duplicate it twice so that you have 3 identical sections. First, select the engraving. Then, while holding Ctrl, select the rectangular cutting template. Finally, use the Boolean AB tool to split the design. For the corner piece, group both engraving sections first before applying the Boolean operation. Now delete all the empty modules. Group all the resulting modules and align them to the same bottom edge. Finally, duplicate the entire set 2 more times . And that's it. Your unique custom planter is now ready to be placed on your laser bed for cutting. I hope you enjoy building it, and thank you for choosing my design.